Hi, welcome to an introduction for the Peach to WooCommerce integration. This video will cover the basics of downloading orders from WooCommerce into Peach and uploading products from Peach into WooCommerce. Let's open up the integration screen. Here we're on the Orders tab. This is where we can view the pending orders in WooCommerce and download them into Peach software. Clicking on this display button will fill out the grid with orders sitting in Woo ready to be downloaded into Peach. We can filter it by date range with these radios here, or by filling in a date range in these boxes. We'll leave it on all dates for now. Once the orders have been downloaded, we can see some summarized information here, like who the order is for, how many items are on the order, the totals, and there's a traffic light system for the stock availability. Red means that the order can't be supplied, yellow means the order can be partially supplied, and green means the order can be fully supplied based on the stock available in Peach. You can also view some more information by clicking on one of the orders, which would give you the product breakdown, the quantity, the pricing, and the stock availability as well. This X signifies a new product that will be added to Peach software. It does exist in WooCommerce, but it doesn't exist in Peach yet. This will be added once the order is imported. Clicking on the import button will download these into Peach for us. If we don't want to import in an order at this stage, we can untick the select tick box. We may not want to import in this order that can't be supplied, for example. It won't be imported in this time, but it will be picked up again next time. Let's import in the other two orders. Once we've done an import, we get a summary screen. This tells us how many orders we just imported in. We have the opportunity to run a report for those, to print out the pack slips with the print each button, and we can also see any new products or customers that were added as well. If we want to reopen that summary screen, there's a summary for last update button down the bottom here. We're also able to view a print preview for any orders that we've imported in by clicking on this ID field once it's been imported. This is a print preview of that order. Let's go to the Products tab now. This is where we're able to upload products from Peach into WooCommerce. There's a few options for how this works. There's existing products only, which will only update something if it's already in WooCommerce. New, which will only add new products into WooCommerce that don't already exist. And all, which will update everything based on your filters. We'll leave mine on existing for the moment. There's also a modified since text box. This allows the system to only update things that have actually had a change. This will be managed for you as you run your exports. As this is the first time I'm running it, that box will be blank, so it will just update anything that matches my criteria. You can also filter this further with a group code or a supplier, for example. I'll leave those blank for the moment. You can save whatever filters you have here so that the next time you come in to run a sync, it will remember the settings that you had. On the right-hand side is the field matching. This is what tells the integration which Peach field matches up to which WooCommerce field. I'm uploading the SKU, some pricing, and categories as well. There'll be more on categories later. You can add or remove field mappings with this Edit Field List button here. Let's open that up, and we'll just add in the stock quantity. So I'll map the Peach in-stock quantity with the WooCommerce stock quantity. Some fields will be automatically recommended for you if the system knows roughly which field it thinks you need to use. This has recommended the stock quantity field for me. We'll accept that and we'll add the field. Now, when we do an upload to WooCommerce, we'll be uploading the stock quantity as well. Let's have a quick look in my WooCommerce. Let's go in here and jump to products. You can see here I've got a few products in my WooCommerce. None of those actually have a stock quantity at the moment, but we'll upload some stock. Let's jump back to Peach and we'll actually upload these products. That will plug in the part number, the categories, the price, and our stock quantity. We can do that by hitting upload. That will scan through, figure out which products match your criteria, and then using the field mappings update WooCommerce for you. Okay, if we go back to WooCommerce again, and we refresh our product listing, we'll see now that we actually have some stock quantity. There's one other special section to do with categories. There is a screen in Product Control in Peach, which allows you to more visually manage categories. If we go to Product Control and load up a part number, go to the pack section and the specifications section. There's a little WooCommerce button next to our linked categories field. If we click on that, we can visually manage the categories that are attached to this product. At the moment, it's just in the drills category. Maybe we want to also add it to the hammer category underneath that as well. You can add or remove whatever categories you want to this product by selecting or unselecting these entries here. You can also remove it from the chips up top here as well. Let's just say OK to this, which will attach that new category. It's now filled out the correct information for WooCommerce, so that the next time we do an upload, it will be part of this other category as well. Let's just save this. We can go back to WooCommerce again. At the moment, that product is only in the drills category. We can do one more upload, which will also put it into this new category as well. Let's go back to WooControl. We'll just tell it to upload everything again without worrying whether it changed or not. And we'll just hit upload once more. And if we go back to WooCommerce once again, refresh that page, you can see now that product is in both of those categories. Thanks for watching.